The DME Competitive Bidding Program Calculator is designed to help prospective bidders understand how a bid from a lead item impacts the cost of non-lead items in a product category, and how these single payment amounts compare to 2019 Medicare rates. To use the calculator, follow these simple steps. 1. Click on your desired product category. The calculator, which is enabled in a Microsoft Excel file, will download to your computer. 2. Open the file and be sure to click Enable Macros and Enable Content so the calculator functions correctly. 3. Once the file opens, you'll see 4 sheets in the document. The first details the how-to instructions discussed in this video. The second sheet contains the calculator. The third and fourth sheets are reference sheets for the calculator. 4. Initiate the calculator by clicking the drop-down menu in cell B1 to select your competitive bidding area, or CBA. Remember, the bid ceiling for the lead item may vary across different CBAs. After selecting your CBA, the relevant lead item bid ceiling will automatically appear in cell B4. 5. Next, enter your bid amount for the lead item in cell B5. Note, your bid must not exceed the lead item bid ceiling in cell B4. 6. You can now see how the SPAs compare to the current 2019 Medicare rates. Column E will display your bid amount for each of the non-lead items. Column F will display the percentage difference between the 2019 fee schedule and the bid price calculated based on your lead item bid price. 7. Similarly, column G will display the dollar difference between the 2019 fee schedule and the bid price calculated based on your lead item bid price. 8. You have the option to enter the costs associated with each item for your business in columns H through J. Please note that the CBP SPAs will essentially become the rate in the non-CBAs, and the SPA plus 10% will be the rates in rural areas. Therefore, low bids that do not represent the cost of providing the products and services, the SPAs, and have significant impacts on non-CBA rates. A new feature of the calculator will show how bids will affect non-CBA rates. This feature will be rolled out soon, so check back for updates. And that's a wrap on this CBP tutorial. We encourage you to experiment with the calculator to see how different bid amounts for lead items impact the SPA or price of non-lead items in the product categories you care about.